Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Applied Theatre India Foundation and Indian Council for Cultural Relations, I welcome you all for the two-day conference on role of applied theatre in Indian society. I am glad to inform you that this is the first ever virtual conference on applied theatre practices in India. On this occasion, we take the opportunity to thank ICCR for their unconditional support to make this conference happen. We would like to welcome Honorable Chief Guest Shri Dinesh Patnaik, Director General of ICCR. Renowned educator and keynote speaker Dr. Swarup Sampath Rawal and Shri Kaustubh Bankapure, Honorable Director, Applied Theatre India Foundation. I would like to introduce our director, Shri Kaustubh Bankapure. He has completed his MA in Applied Theatre from Royal Central School of Speech and Drama, University of London. He is also a founder of an applied theatre company in India, Theatre Resource. He has been working with various organizations, industries, and corporate as a drama-based training consultant for more than 10 years now. I request Shri Kaustubh Bankapure to say a few words about the need of this conference as well as applied theatre practices in India. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Vaishali. Good morning and welcome all of you for this conference, the role of applied theatre in Indian society. So, applied theatre is a very powerful medium to deal with diverse part of the society, and it's a high time now that we should introduce different kind of educational patterns in India. So, applied theatre is essentially to deal with investigating lot of issues, lot of questions, and through this conference, we are trying to formalize this study. Any kind of education need to be supported by a solid research and a pedagogical framework. And that's where this conference will going to play a very important role. I'm glad that ICCR and all our researchers who contributed to this conference have supported wholeheartedly to make this conference possible. And I thank all of them for being a part of this. Post this conference, we're going to publish the e-book, which will consist of all the essays and research papers which will be presented in this conference. And today, we're going to inaugurate the e-book cover of this conference paper e-book. So, having said that, this conference will going to be a milestone in the area of applied theatre. Applied Theatre India Foundation is formally initiating an academic program to provide education in the area of applied theatre. So people can study and get into diverse areas to work in the education sector, in the social sector, in the corporate sector. And through this conference, we would like to bring out different kind of practices that takes place in India. So my sincere thanks to all the researchers, to our chief guest, to ICCR, and to the entire team of Applied Theatre India Foundation. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for this initiative. We would now like to introduce the chief guest of today's ceremony, Honorable Shri Dinesh Patnaik. Shri Dinesh Patnaik is a career diplomat of Indian Foreign Service with experience of 30 years in a variety of interesting and challenging assignments. He has served in Indian missions in Geneva, Dhaka, Beijing, and Vienna. At headquarters, he has served in the Europe West External Publicity, Africa, and UN divisions. Shri Patnaik served as the Deputy Chief Mission at the Indian Embassy in Vienna from 1929 to 2012. He was India's ambassador to Cambodia from 2012 to 2015 and India's ambassador to the Kingdom of Morocco from 2015 to 2016. He was Deputy High Commissioner of India to London from 2016 to 2018. Due to some emergency, he couldn't join us today, but he has sent a message for the conference. I would request Parag to kindly play the same.
Namaskar. I am delighted that the first ever virtual conference on the role of applied theatre in Indian society is being held. This is a new concept which applies theatre into different scenarios in India, into education, social development, NGOs, etc. This needs more elaboration, and I am glad that this first ever virtual conference is being held on this. As you are aware, India has the Natya Shastra, which is one of the oldest treatises in the world on dramaturgy. And this looks at drama as a composition of everything from dance, music, sculpture, art, painting, and it is the most brilliant treatise ever. However, we haven't done much studies on the Natya Shastra. All the studies that have been done were in the past. So I'm very, very happy that we are actually getting together to see how applied theatre touches all of us in our everyday lives. This is a thing which we will continue to do. There are some brilliant papers which have been presented, and I am sure the audience and the people who are interested in this will be able to see it. I am again very, very happy and delighted, and I wish all the listeners and the viewers of this virtual conference all the best and happy viewing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your best wishes. It's lots for us. Now, let's celebrate this moment by welcoming our honorable keynote speaker, Dr. Swarup Sampath Rawal. Dr. Rawal is a PhD degree holder in education from the University of Worcester, England. She is also the first person to earn a double doctorate at the University of Worcester. Winner of 1979 Miss India title and a popular face in the Indian cinema and television. She has been working relentlessly in the field of education. Dr. Swarup travels across India and overseas to empower schools and teachers on life skills. She has done a commendable work in the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra in the field of education, and was selected by the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi to head an educational program for children in Gujarat to teach life skills in the government primary school. At that point, she focused on mental health issues among students. In 2016, she was awarded Most Committed Person of the Year in Inclusive Education at the 4th International Early Childhood Conference. She has also written a book titled Learning Disabilities in Nutshells: Dyslexia, Dysgraphia, Dyscalculia, Dyspraxia. For the last few years, she has been training primary school teachers in Gujarat on using theatre as a means to develop skills. It's an honor to have Dr. Swarup Sampath as a keynote speaker for this conference. We would like to request Dr. Swarup to kindly inaugurate our conference ebook cover page.
A very good morning to everybody. Thank you very much for this wonderful invite, Kaustubh, and Applied Theatre India. I think it's a great thing you're doing, Kaustubh. And I also congratulate ICCR for, joining hands and supporting this conference. I welcome all the people who are presenting papers because we're talking about something we really love and care for. So I wish everybody the best of luck, and especially to Kaustubh.
Ma'am, I request you to just play the slide to inaugurate the
How does one do that?
ebook cover page.
So what do I do?
You can just go here and you have to play.
So ma'am, if you move the cursor on your screen, so if you can, because you're on mobile phone, on the screen, yeah, so if you just go to the play button, just a little towards left.
Here.
It isn't working. I think
it is. Yeah.
Yay! That's great. I think I've done such a super thing. Wow, I am so happy. I'm so glad to see this, Kaustubh.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I would like to state that this cover page includes a photograph from Helpers of the Handicapped, Kolhapur, which is an organization working towards handicap development for last almost more than 35 years. And this photograph is from one of the workshops that we have conducted.
Oh, wow.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Great. And thank you so much, ma'am, for your beautiful words. This conference wouldn't have been possible without the generous support of few people. And today we would like to take the opportunity to thank them. We would like to thank Dr. Vinay Sahasrabuddhe, President ICCR, for their strong and valuable support. Thanks to Shri Dinesh Patnaik, Director General. Thanks Dr. Swarup Sampath Rawal for their valuable time. Thank you to Shri Kaustubh Bankapure, Director, Applied Theatre India Foundation, for organizing this much needed conference. We would like to thank Shri Sanjay Vedi, Senior Program Director, Dr. Archana Tyagi, and their team of ICCR for their continuous support. Thank you to Shri Parag Vartak, Technical Consultant. Thanks to all the participants, presenters, and all the ITI Foundation team. And last but not the least, we would like to thank all those theatre lovers who are attending this conference today and tomorrow. Now let's have a small break. We will be back at 10 a.m. for keynote speech by Dr. Swarup Sampath Rawal on the magic of drama in education. Thank you.
Thank you.